Good day guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to see what your friends liked on Instagram. So if you want to do this, you go into the Reels tab, for example, into here, and in here, for example, as you can see, we have two tabs in here. So the first one is Reels and the second one is Friends. So the Friends is the tab that we're looking for, so it allows you to see which Reels your friends liked. So you just press on it and you see I don't have any friends. It's just a dummy account of mine. But if I did friends that liked some posts or Reels, I would see what they liked in here. And as you can see where it says Friends, there are these little like spherical icons in there. So those will be your friends' pretty much avatars, their little pictures, and you will actually be able to see who liked, like the list of friends who liked which reel. So as you can see, you're all caught up with reels that your friends are into. So that's exactly where you should be looking for that. So enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and see you soon.